Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's doing good. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Z, and I'll kind of talk. Oh my god. I just dropped the phone. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Z, and I'm also going to talk to you guys about how much money I spent on the whole trip I did from Michigan to Vegas. Just like how much money I spent on gas and hotels and pretty much like food and all that stuff. I saved a lot of the receipts I did mainly because I wanted to share it with you guys. I know a lot of people want to buy cars that are super far away from them, so kind of give you guys an idea on how much it cost me to do it. And yeah, I cannot forget this. Already at 15 and a half. So when we come back from our trip, it's definitely gonna be way over 16. So it's kind of sad, but I mean, that's what I got the car for. Have fun with it. That was weird. Foot slipped again. Oh shit. Got everything we need, so now we're just gonna go under the car and get this thing started, man. I just took these off and now this is like flapping down. I don't know if I should take these off too. Okay, like to be honest, I didn't even watch a video on this, so I'm kind of just doing it as is. But I might just bungee cord this or clip this so it's not gonna be in the way. But yeah, drain plug is right here. Oil filter is right here. Yo, this thing is fucking hot. I'm like hella scared right now. All right, ready? Cool. Didn't make as much of a mess that time either. Oil is pretty much all drained. Now time to take this guy off. This is gonna make so much mess, I can already tell. Oh, maybe it's not that bad. Never mind. Not that bad. Oh, well, there it is. Alright, I already got everything back. Tightened up the drain plug. Oil filter is back in. It's already tightened. We're just gonna put some oil. Make sure there's nothing leaking before we put the car back down. And we're pretty much done. So the Z takes a little bit over 5 quarts of oil. So we're pretty much gonna be putting all of this. And then I have another quart of oil over there. We got everything back together. Already put the oil in there. We're gonna put the car back down really quick. Let it run for a little bit. And then we're gonna check the oil way down over there where it's flat. So yeah. All right, so everything's back together. I'm gonna try to reset the little oil life alert, or I don't even know what it's called. It should be pretty self-explanatory, I think. Literally says that you just go on info, oil life. We'll just keep it at like 4750, and then we just reset it. Bam, reset, and that should be it. So that should be it. That's how you reset your oil alert on here. So we're literally ready to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the car back up front so we can let it sit for a little, and then we're gonna check our oil level. All right, so we got the car out here. Just gonna check the oil level, and we should be good. We're just gonna wrap everything up after this. So you're pretty much gonna want to be on the second line right here at the bottom. So that bubble should just be filled up, and you should be good to go. Right now we're just gonna wrap everything up, and that's it. We're good with our oil change already, so yeah. So I don't know if you guys can see that little truck over there. They're the ones that clean the curb. I've been like home every morning consistently when they've been here, so like the spot where my car is at is so dirty. Look at all this, it's so dirty, and everything else is like pretty clean. So I was like, I'm gonna move my car in the driveway for now. Hopefully he cleans it, we'll see.
Much later.
So I was just taking pictures of the car right now, and the guy that's in there came out, and he was showing me how he has like a 280. He had an RX-7 and everything. He's a pretty cool guy. I showed him the YouTube channel. I couldn't really stick around because I have to head out. But if you're watching this, really nice to meet you. Nice chatting with you. Hope you stay safe out here. All right, not even gonna lie, this video is all over the place, but we're gonna talk about everything we spent from Michigan to Vegas, just like gas, food, and hotels. I have all of the receipts right here. I'm just gonna go over it. I try to make it in order, but you guys get the point. So our first one is, let's see, you guys can even see this. This one is Marshall, Michigan. So this is definitely probably like one of the first pumps that we did. We are at, what does that say, like $47.97. Next one we have is from Illinois, $68.11. Next one is Iowa, $46.92. Next one is Nebraska right there, and it has my card info like right up under it. So hold on. For $71.09. Next one is Colorado for $67.05. Colorado again, dude. I remember just driving through Colorado, and that just felt like it was never ending. So terrible. Colorado for $50.07. Next one is Utah, finally. I think this is the gas station. Oh, actually, no, not yet. So Utah for $58.17. Then another Utah one. This was St. George. So this is actually the gas station that we ended up staying overnight at because of the weather, how bad the weather was. But this one was for $42.63 for the last pump we did at Utah. So that's all we have for the gas. I already added it up. We spent $452 for food. Not gonna lie, I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I probably only spent like $70 in food. I didn't really stop to get food. I know it sounds bad, but I also didn't really prioritize my meals, like making sure I'm getting like a healthy meal, just because I was always on the go. So I just honestly got a bunch of snacks. Like I remember I got beef jerky, some crackers, some like almonds, just quick things to eat. I was always on the go, so honestly I wasn't really even that hungry most of the time, but probably went to like Panera once, or the rest of the time I went to like McDonald's or like Burger King to go get like a $5 $6 meal. So I really didn't spend that much money on food. So for hotels, we stayed at 2 places. I honestly, whenever I felt tired, I just took a nap in my car. Honestly, sometimes I slept in my car too, but we stayed at 2 places. The first one we stayed at was the motel. It was Super 8. Man, that place was so sketchy. I met someone there though with a Camaro. He was pretty cool. If you're watching this, really nice to meet you. I hope we kind of got to exchange info, but that place was pretty sketchy. I just kept hearing some things going on in the parking lot. I pretty much slept with like one eye open the whole time. But it was only $66.59. Second one we went to was a Best Western. This was already in Colorado, so it was $104.54, so not too bad, but both in total was $171.13. So we have $452.01, $124.98. We're just gonna do 70 for food because I swear I'm pretty sure that's all I spent in food. We're on 71. So we spent $818, less than $1,000 just for traveling, food, gas, hotels. I feel like I still saved way more if I went to go get that car shipped, because I remember I did get quotes and it was almost like 2,000. It was like $1,500, $1,600 to get that car shipped from Michigan to Vegas. And then it was like a gamble because like who knows if the company was going to be good and like if they were going to take care of the Z the whole way they're traveling with it. I'm glad that I went to go drive it because I had a lot of cool experiences and I had a great time doing it. And I feel like that's something you can't pay for. Having a good time and getting a good experience from something is something you cannot pay for. So I'm glad that I went to go pick up the Z and drive it back, because those are going to be times that I'm never going to forget. Hopefully this kind of helps you guys. I hope it does. I'm pretty good at like replying back, so if you guys have any questions, just shoot them down below and I'll be able to get back with you guys. And lastly, I just want to say thank you to everyone that watches the video and supports the channel. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are the best. We're almost at like 400 subscribers, so that's crazy. I think one of my goals for this month at least is to definitely have 400 subscribers. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and comment what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm trying to get an exhaust pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in our next video. Stay safe out there.